Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to try to catch a fish before we're rained on or the sun goes all the way down. On the drive over here I noticed rain to the north and the east of me, not too far, and it's about an hour before dark. But I'm going to see what we can do. I just saw a sunfish. So for the bait I'm using a little 4-inch worm I poured myself in a really cool pinkish red color with a little bit of sparkle in it. But this is just so vibrant in the water. Has a super slow fall. I'm using it Texas rigged. And for my pole, I have a 4.5 foot ultralight Shakespeare Micro Series. And then I have a Shimano Sienna 500 on here, spooled up with 6-pound braid. So let's see what we can make happen. Finally got a fish. It's a green sunfish, of course. Good looking guy. I actually get a picture of him. I don't like to catch green sunfish on those Texas hooks because they're so big, especially ones this small. Just goes to show how hungry they are swiping at this giant worm. Can't tell if he's still on there. I think so. Another little green. Smaller even. Oh, this thing is getting mangled. I'm gonna toss it into this pool on the other side. Alright. Toss this into the pool on the other side and see if I can catch a fish. I actually have another worm on me that I poured myself. This one I designed the mold for as well. Designed the mold, 3D printed the mold, and then poured this worm out of the mold. So has a little bit of a segmented body with some geometric shapes. Just something different. Let me go ahead and tie this on there. There's a spider on the water. Looks like the lunker hunt spider. I would love to see a fish eat that. Oh, what? Did you guys see that spider? That is not what I was expecting him to do. Oh, and he got. There we go. Here's a green on this worm. Right through the bottom jaw, or bottom of the neck, honestly. This one's got some damage on him. Please don't poke me. Oh man, that was a gnarly hook set. There's no way he was coming off. Reset my worm. So the idea on the design of this worm was to give it a more blocky shape. It's kind of worn down I've been using this worm for a while. It is eaten up, but it kind of has like this segmented zigzag going on. And the thought process there was, if it gets ruined, once you catch some fish, if he doesn't rip the whole back end off, you can just bite off that little segment and keep going. Finally got a bass. I don't think it's my friend from earlier though. I don't want him down there. He's a good size, but he's no monster. Quit. I don't want you to break me off again. Oh. Got a little fighter here. Another green. Losing daylight here. And it's starting to sprinkle at the same time. Perfect. There we go. Pull them off the waterfall. That's the littlest guy of the day, I think. Oh, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned. I'm going to make a video on how I go about making these worms, how I go from modeling the model to 3D printing the model to pouring the plastic. So stay tuned for that. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button if you enjoy the content. You guys take care. I'll catch you next time.